Best English Hub.
Talking with a stranger. Excuse me, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. You can sit here.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am.
Me too. It's a bit late today.
Yeah, it's already 10 minutes late.
Do you take this bus every day?
Almost every day for work.
Oh, where do you work?
I work in an office nearby.
Nice. What do you do there?
I work in customer service.
That sounds interesting.
It can be busy, but I like it.
What about you?
I'm a student.
Really? What are you studying?
I'm studying business.
That's great. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do.
Is this your first time taking this bus?
No, I've taken it a few times.
Oh, okay. I usually see the same people.
Yes, I noticed that too.
By the way, I'm Hassan.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
So, what time do you usually start work?
I start at 9 a.m.
That's early.
Yes, but I get used to it.
Do you have classes today?
Yes, I have a class at 10.
I hope the bus comes soon then.
Me too. I don't want to be late.
Same here.
Oh look, I think that's our bus.
Yes, finally.
Let's get ready.
Sure.
After you.
Thank you.
No problem.
Do you have a card or ticket?
Yes, I have a card.
Good, it's faster.
Let's find a seat.
Okay.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, nice meeting you too.
Have a great day.
You too.
Talking with a stranger at a coffee shop. Excuse me, is this seat free?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you.
No problem.
This place is really busy today.
Yeah, it's always crowded in the evening.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here after work.
Oh, nice. What do you usually order?
I usually get a cappuccino.
That sounds good.
What about you?
It's my first time here.
Really? Then you should try their coffee.
I will. Do you recommend anything else?
Their sandwiches are also very good.
Thanks for the suggestion.
You're welcome.
By the way, I'm Imran.
Nice to meet you. I'm Karina.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you working or studying?
I'm working. What about you?
I'm a university student.
That's great. What do you study?
I study English.
That's useful.
Yes, I want to improve my speaking.
You're doing well.
Thank you, that means a lot.
Talking with a stranger in a taxi. Hello, is this taxi available?
Yes, please get in.
Thank you.
Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the city center.
Okay, it will take about 20 minutes.
Is there a lot of traffic?
A little, but not too bad.
That's good.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
Welcome to the city.
Thank you, it looks nice.
Yes, it's a busy but beautiful place.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, I drive all day.
That must be tiring.
Sometimes, but I enjoy meeting people.
That's interesting.
Where are you from?
I'm from a small town.
Nice. I hope you enjoy your stay.
Thank you, I'm sure I will.
We are almost there.
Great. How much is the fare?
It's 300 taka.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Talking with a stranger in a park. Excuse me, is this your dog?
Yes, it is.
He's very cute.
Thank you. His name is Max.
How old is he?
He is 2 years old.
He looks very friendly.
Yes, he loves people.
Do you come here every day?
Almost every evening.
That's nice.
Do you live nearby?
Yes, I live just across the street.
Oh, that's convenient.
What about you?
I live a bit far from here.
Do you come here often?
Not really, just sometimes.
It's a good place to relax.
Yes, it's very peaceful.
By the way, I'm Nabil.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Max seems to like you.
I like him too.
Have a great day.
You too, take care. Hey, Sarah, guess what?
What happened? You look excited.
I got a message from my boss.
A message? Is everything okay?
Yes, it's good news.
Tell me quickly.
He wants me to join a meeting tomorrow.
That's normal. Why are you so excited?
Because it's an online meeting with the UK team.
The UK team? That's a big deal.
I know. I have to speak in English.
Oh, now I understand your face.
I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you speak well.
But this is different. It's a professional meeting.
You'll do great. Just be confident.
The meeting is at 10 a.m.
That's not too early. You have time to prepare.
Yes, I will practice tonight.
Good idea. Practice some common sentences.
Like what?
Like introducing yourself and your work.
Right. I should prepare that.
And also prepare some questions.
Questions?
Yes, it shows confidence.
That makes sense.
What will you wear?
It's online, so just a formal shirt.
Classic. Keep it simple.
Should I turn on the camera?
Yes, definitely. It looks more professional.
Okay, I'll do that.
Do you know what the meeting is about?
Yes, it's about a new project.
That sounds important.
It is. I want to make a good impression.
Then speak slowly and clearly.
Sometimes I speak too fast.
Then slow down, take small pauses.
Good advice.
Do you want to practice now?
Yes, let's try.
Okay, start.